Hello again, my dark kitties. And today we're gonna do another Halloween recipe. And today it's going to be pizza skulls. I think I know what's in this Amazon box. Let's find out. It'd be funny if I'm totally wrong. Ah, yes. It's the skull plate to make my skull pizzas. Yay! So, to start making the skull pizza heads, we need a skull-shaped pan, which I just got from Amazon. And this thing's pretty sturdy. And I've also preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And I'm cheating a little bit. I'm going to use this ready-made pizza crust instead of making pizza crust because it takes longer. It's so messy to make pizza crust. This will save a lot of time. So I've already buttered and put flour in this pan, which is what it requires. And this requires an oven to 400 degrees. So I've got the dough out here and just going to unroll it and somehow get it into 6 equal pieces. Let's try ripping it. Probably not the best way to do it, but so then we're gonna press this dough down into the skull head so that it'll make the skull shape. And hopefully this is enough. I know it cooks up pretty thick, so if it gets a little thinner, that is fine with me. Apparently I gotta get air bubbles out. Once you get the dough in there, you're going to put your toppings in, which we have pepperoni, we got some ragu pizza sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. Guess I'll put some cheese in first. I don't want to overfill these. Get some sauce in there. And now some pepperoni. I'm using turkey pepperoni because my husband and I are avoiding eating red meat while we're losing weight. Okay, so I guess that'll be enough because I know it's going to expand some, and it says not to fill this up all the way. So guess what? I'm not going to fill it up all the way. Alright, so I'm gonna do 6 more of those and then put it in the oven. Alright, as you can see, all the skulls are ready now. This one looks like it's gonna possibly explode, but that's okay. So they're gonna go into the oven now for about 18 minutes is what I'm going to try. Hopefully that works out. Well, the alarm went off and I checked it. Looks like it is done. It exploded a little bit. As you can see, it's fresh out of the oven, still basically cooking on here. And I'm gonna let them cool down and we will try to get them out and see if we've got skulls or not. Alright, so they have had time to cool now, so I'm gonna flip them out onto this here. Just on the tripod. Alright, wish me luck, but I don't get it all over the place. Sometimes I have a smart idea. There we go. I know all you bakers out there like, that was obvious, but yeah, not for me. Hopefully they just pop right out. Yes, look at that. Those look pretty cool. I'm so happy they came out. Now we'll have to taste one. Hopefully I don't burn the crap out of my mouth. Let's see if I can touch one yet. Alright. He feels pretty good. He's not super hot. Okay. It's kind of like a pepperoni roll, which is a big thing here in West Virginia. Pepperoni roll is like a thing. But in better light here. It's pretty good. It could use a little bit more filling. Sauce, I could have put more sauce. But I was afraid it would blow up everywhere, but it did a little bit. It's mostly dough. Next time I'll make my own dough so I can make it thinner. There's a little meow in my way. Come here. She knew I was coming here. She knew I was coming here. This is her MO. If she knows where you're gonna sit, she will sit in it. Alright, here we go. I'm excited. My skulls came out. They looked perfect, just like they're supposed to. Maybe a little bit overdone where the faces were, but that's okay. They could have used more sauce. I was afraid to put too much because it might have exploded everywhere. And it did come out a little bit, but not too bad. So I am happy and excited because now I can make more of them, because that's a really nice pan and stuff doesn't seem to stick to it very much. That's awesome too. It was an expensive pan. It was like $38. I was like, $38? That seems expensive for a pan. I almost didn't buy it, but now I'm glad that I did. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you make your own skull projects, whether pizza or cakes or whatever. And if you do, please post pictures or videos of you doing that. I'd love to see it. And I will see you again soon with another spooky video for Halloween. See you later. Bye-bye. Mommy's getting up. Mommy's getting up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You did it to yourself.